Welcome students to your own channel Knowledge Kit. In the previous video I have explained you how to convert to positive degree. Remember the formula. Formula you will remember, never you will get any issue in converting to positive degree. Now today I am telling you about comparative degree. How will you convert a sentence to comparative degree? That conversion also I will tell you another formula about this of conversion. In this first will come proper noun. PN means proper noun. Then be verb. Be verb. Proper noun. Then be verb. Then will come ER form of the, either you will write more or ER form of the verb. Anything, anyone. More than the adjective word or ER form of the adjective word. Then always remember this word is must. Then in comparative degree always remember than is there. As in positive degree, as in the same way in comparative degree there is a than. This word is a must. Then you will write any other. Then will come common noun. Then the extras. Hope it is clear to you now. First will come proper noun, be verb. Then comparative form of the adjective, and always remember than is must. In comparative degree than is must. Then any other, then common noun is there. So in this way you will convert into a comparative degree. Let us take an example here. If I write here Rohan is an intelligent boy in the class. So in the class Rohan is the intelligent boy. So how will you write in a comparative form? That I am telling you how will you write in a comparative form here. What is the proper noun? Rohan. So we will write here Rohan. Then which is a be verb here? Is. So we will write here is. Rohan is. Then comparative form of the adjective. Comparative form of the adjective. I have told you what will you add? Er, more or most. That I have already told you. So it has how many syllables? In, tell, gent. 4 syllables are intelligent. So as it has been divided into different syllables, more than 3 syllables it has 3 or more than 3 syllables means you have to add more or most. So here I have to add more. Rohan is more intelligent than any other boy in the class. Hope it is clear to you now. I have added here more in order to make it comparative form, as it has more than 3 syllables. Already I told you that if there are 2 syllables only, till 2 syllables you can add er or est. But if it is more than 2 syllables, then you will add more or most. So Rohan is more intelligent than any other boy in the class. This is the comparative form. आशा करती हूँ आप सबको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. ये है आपका कंपैरेटिव डिग्री वाला फॉर्मूला. इसको हमेशा याद रखो, तो फिर आपका कभी भी मिस्टेक्स नहीं होगा, कोई भी गलतियां नहीं होगी अगर आपने इतना याद रख लिया. आप कभी भी कोई भी सेंटेंस को आराम से कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. हमेशा याद रखो दैन मस्ट है. एडजेक्टिव के बाद दैन आना ही है. तभी आपको कंप्लीट डिग्री बनेगा। हमेशा बोलती रहती हूँ, आज भी बोल रही हूँ, अभी भी बोल रही हूँ आपको, सही दिशा चुनो। हमेशा सही दिशा चुनो। जिंदगी में अगर खुश रहना चाहते हो, अपने परिवार को खुशियाँ देना चाहते हो, समाज को खुशियाँ देना चाहते हो, तो सही दिशा चुनो। सक्सेसफुल कोई भी हो सकता है। अगर हार्ड वर्क करोगे, अपने बारे में सोचोगे, स्वार्थी बनोगे तो सक्सेसफुल जरूर बनोगे, लेकिन निस्वार्थ बनना भी बहुत जरूरी है। कहीं कहीं थोड़ा निस्वार्थ सेवा भी किया करो, तभी जाके अपने ह्यूमैनिटी की रक्षा कर पाओगे, इंसानियत की रक्षा कर पाओगे। इंसान बनो, इंसान बनो, अच्छे इंसान बनो, और इसके साथ अपने सपनों को भी पूरा करो। कीप वॉचिंग नॉलेज किट।